this V-block assembly. Today we are going to see how to make this V-block body with same dimension step by step in CATIA. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that, write your name as body and then click on OK. Now you have to select any plane whatever you want and then go on sketch option from here. Let me show you. I am going to make this part first. For that I am just going to make this half side and I will mirror it to this and then I will extend it. For that, first I am using this profile command and now I am making it just half. You can make it full, but if you will make it half, it will be very easy to make next. Now you have to make sure that this upcoming point will be in same synchro with this orange line. Similarly, this and this also. Now I have completed my half sketch, so I am giving it dimensions. So distance of this is given as it is given as 48, so I am using here 24, that is 48 divided by 2. Similarly, distance between both of the external line, it is given as 100. And now distance between this line to the center, it is given as 27 divided by 2. I am using divided by 2 because I am just sketching half. And from this two line, it is given as 33 divided by 2. Now distance of this line is given as 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And now distance between this external axis to this line, it is given as 89. And distance between both of this line, it is given as just 5. Now this is how we have completed our sketch. Now select whole sketch and then use this mirror command and wait a second, I have selected axis by mistakenly. Just select all sketch and you have to select remaining lines by using control option. Then go on the mirror, select the axis, and this is how we have got our sketch. Now go on exit to workbench. You have to use pad command from here. This is pad, the pad is given is of 19 and we have completed our this type. And now we have to draw one triangle here to make it pocket. So select this side and then go on sketch option. Let's make one triangle by using profile command. Wait a second, I made it wrong. So first make it is 90 degree, it shouldn't be 90 degree. Now this is how I have sketched one triangle. So select upper side of the triangle with this and then go on constraint option, then coincide. Now we have to give dimensions that this point, you can see this point, here is the point, and the length and this side of this side and the line of this, the distance between both of this should be 50. So I'm giving it 50. Now you have to use this axis which is in construction format. You have to make it straight. Now select, we have to make symmetry between the triangle. So first select this side, then this side of the triangle, and then central axis, and then go on this constraint box and then use symmetry from here. Now let's give dimensions. The angle between both of the line should be 60. So this is how 60. And our next part is length between this to this is given as 3. Now we have completed our triangle. So go on exit to workbench now and now use pocket command from here and you have to select up to last, then click on OK. we have to make one hole here. So go on sketch after selecting this surface. So here is the elongated hole. You have to select it and just make one hole. Now use this dimension. The given dimension is of radius 3. Distance between this external line, this line to this external surface, it is given as 63. And now this is the length. The length is of this elongated hole is given as 25, and distance between this center to this line, it is given as 11.5. After that, go on exit to workbench. That was this this figure was in fully green color, so it is fully constrained. Then go on this pocket command. The pocket is of given 1, so select here dimension and write here 1, then click on OK. Now we have to make one sketch on this surface. I will show you. Let's see it. Now I am going to make this. I am also going to make here as half. First we have to project this line and this line too. Now use this profile command. Make one profile as it is given in figure of same dimensions. I'm just going to make it half so I can just mirror it. Just make it very carefully. This two lines should be collinear as you have seen. Now let's give dimensions to it. This is dimension command. Now let's see distance between this line to this line, it is given as 32. Distance between this to this surface, it is given as 38. And now distance between that external to this external, it is given as 54. Now distance between this line to this axis, it is given as 2. Similarly, now let's give next dimension. Distance between this to this, it is given as 35 divided by 2. I am using divided by 2 because I am making half. This to this distance is given as 24. Similarly, distance between this line to this axis, it is given as 27 divided by 2. And now from here to this axis, it is given as 33 divided by 2. And now let's see, this line and this line should be collinear, so select both of that line and then go on constraint option, then coincide. Now one step is remaining, that distance between both of this. So distance between this to this is given as 3, and distance of this line to this white line to this surface, it is given as 43. Now we have completed our sketch, so just select all the lines and after that go on this mirror command and select the line and mirror it. Now you have to rub unwanted part, so use trim command to trim this side and then go on exit to workbench. Now we have to use this pad command. We want pad till next, not next, till we want till next. this is our next. So take one preview. Sorry, the arrow should be reverse. Now up to next, and then make one preview. We can use dimension as 50 also, or you can just make it at till next. This is how we have completed this. Now we have to give hole. So let's make one hole. First we have to make one hole from this surface. So select it and then go on sketch option. Make one circle at the center of given radius of 8. So take dimensions, and here is the 8, and distance between this axis to the center of circle is given as 25. And now go on exit to workbench. Then you have to use this pocket command. So make one pocket and up to last and make preview. Here is the hole, then click on OK. Now we have to make one hole here also. So select this surface and then go on sketch option. Now you have to make circle of given dimension. Use constraint. Then diameter of this is given as 10, and the distance between this axis to this, it is given as 25, and similarly from this to this, it is given as 25. And now go on exit to workbench, then go on the pocket command and make it up to last. It is selected that up to last, and take one preview and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our body. Thank you so much guys for watching it, and please like, share and subscribe it.